Hello? It's so dark. Good thing I'm glowing so that I can find some food to eat. Yum, 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 yum. I found little tiny phytoplankton. Yum, 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 yum. Hello, everybody. How's it going? Can you guys hear me? Everything good? Well, welcome back to the lab. Today, we're going to look at some deep sea creatures. Yay! Now, I'm talking about under 3,000 feet below the sea. I'm a little dehydrated, even though we're underwater. Ugh. 1 second. Do not drink seawater. It's not good for you. The salts will dehydrate you or something. Alright, well, welcome to this week's nature review. I don't know if that's gonna be the name, but that's what fits, so it sits. Today we will be looking at, like I said, some deep sea creatures. About most of these creatures that I've gathered for research are around below 2,000 feet or so. And that's pretty far. To put that into perspective, let's see. Okay, well, 1 mile is like 5,000 feet below the surface, and I've got some samples of creatures here that can be found as far as 10,000 feet below the ocean surface. So, shall we begin? Hold on, let me pull up my sample here. Oh, it's a little hard to see. Hold on, let me adjust. I think the microscope still needs to be adjusted from looking at bugs. Don't mind the sample that's on the microscope. Hold on. Okay, let me adjust the knobs really quick. Ah, here we go. Ah! Spooky! Scary! Now this does anybody know what this is? Is anybody familiar with deep sea creatures? That's right, it's got a big belly. No, it's not, it hasn't eaten too many chips, or it's not pregnant, so no, this is not good at either. This is called a black swallower. These are most commonly found in North America, around 10,000 feet below the surface. So that's about a mile down. Around a mile down, you can find these guys highly pressurized environments, and called the black swallower. They are a deep sea snake-toothed fishes. Snake-tooth. Ooh. They are scaleless, have a long head, and a blackish brown color. The black swallower has a big jaw and a stomach that expands in order to accommodate its large meal. They average around 10 centimeters in length, which actually is not really that big. It's like a third of a foot or something. I don't know. Wait, 10 centimeters, that's not very big at all. Yeah, they're known for eating fish way bigger than themselves. This is a different sample. This is I'm assuming a picture captured by a lot of like deep sea drones or rovers that are released sometimes for research purposes down in the depths of the ocean, and they sometimes come across strange creatures such as this. You see their belly extends out to fit the shape of the prey that it eats. It says, stretched stomach extends so far down, in fact, that the stomach tissue becomes transparent. Now you're probably thinking, I don't believe you, that doesn't even look transparent. Well, lucky for you, we have a fisherman that has found a black swallower. It does indeed look very small, and there's its tummy, extended, to try to fit this giant fish. There it is, transparent. It's kind of weird. I mean, a lot of the time these fish look really weird when brought up to the surface because, the difference in pressure. And being brought up to the surface also, it's It's a different environment for them. They can't really sustain their shape as they were down deep below. So for this image in 2007, a fisherman off the south coast of the Grand Cayman came across a black swallower that was only 7.5 inches in length, but had swallowed a snakefish that was 3 feet long. That's huge. That's like triple its size. Triple? Yeah. Well, more than triple, actually. Yeah, its tummy must hurt. I wonder if it hurts. Well, I guess maybe they don't have any pain receptors or something for that area, because that seems kind of counterproductive. It hurts to eat. My tummy is too big. So usually you can't really find these fish at above the depths that they're usually found at. But the reason why this fish was able to be found by just a lone fisherman is because the prey that they ate, this fish that they ate, was too big. They couldn't digest it. Yeah, they couldn't digest the fish, and so when that happens, decomposition begins. And when decomposition begins, then gases start to release from the flesh and the cells. They just release gas as they start to decompose. And because the gas was released inside of the stomach of the black swallower, that caused it to float up to the surface. Ugh. A lot of the times, that's usually how humans are able to find such deep sea creatures, is that they end up washing up for various reasons. Usually they're dead. I think this one, I don't know, it looks kind of dead to me. I imagine it might have died because that fish poked out of its tummy. I don't think it's supposed to stick out like that in the back. Anyways, these are very interesting fish. Like I said, found about a mile of depth in the ocean. They're weird, slimy. They got big teeth. Big teeth. What else here? I guess that's all that's here written in my Amedex. Yeah, they got big teeth. What do you guys think? I wonder if they're tasty. Usually you can eat fish, but I don't know about eating deep sea creatures, because they would be very slimy. They have like a lot of mucus or like a very slimy texture membrane. That is a cool looking fish. Well, it usually doesn't look this extended tummy. I don't know if this is a real picture, actually. I think this is more just a maybe somebody drew it. A lot of fish are covered in mucus because it's beneficial, especially like I think type of scaleless fish, because they don't really have the type of protection that other fish have, and so they have like a membrane of mucus. Not all scaleless fish though, I think, but I do know of some fish that have that as mucus DLC. Alright, shall we move on? That was interesting. These guys are pretty cool. A little bit nightmare fuel, like their mouth. Zoom in on these. Cool. I wonder what it's got in its tummy. Is that a type of fish, or maybe it's a type of crustacean? It looks a little bit transparent on the right side. Hard to tell. Maybe a mussel of sorts. It's a potato! It ate a potato chip. A big giant potato. Alright, shall we move on to the next specimen? Hold on, let me find it. Ah! Damn it, I hit one of the knobs. Oh! What is that? What could that be? Oh! Ali, hello! Welcome to the lab! Welcome to the research facility! Yeah, the potato chip must be pretty salty. This is a taco. Oh, it does look a little bit like a taco. It does look a little bit like one. I'll admit that. Let's adjust the knobs. Whoa! Oh, there we go. Nice and clear. Oh, it's cute. It's really cute. It's got like a little schnoz all tucked in. So this, I'm sure some of you have guessed by now, a pretty popular sea creature, known as the Dumbo octopus. The scientific name is Grimpotiuthis. Maybe I said that right. These octopods can be found around 13,000 feet down. That is over a mile deep in the ocean. Wow. That's pretty insane. That must be a lot of pressure. The Dumbo octopus is small compared to other octopods at only an average 20 to 30 centimeters. That's about a little less than a foot, I think. Slightly larger than an adult guinea pig. Yeah, sounds about right. Oh, they're kind of like, I thought they might be smaller, but that's actually, I mean, you know, small for an octopus, but pretty, I don't know, I just imagine it being a little bit smaller. Yeah, about the size of a taco. Like a taco. It propels itself through the water, navigates currents with specialized flippers on top of its head that look just like ears. I don't think I have one, but let me see. There must be a gif of this. Let me see if I can ask the research team. Dr. Bubba, can you please pull up the Dumbo octopus movement? Oh, that's close. Let's see, look at their little tentacles. Oh, they're so cute. Look at their little flaps. I love them. Let's see. Here we go. Dr. Bubba, thank you. Hold on. I really have to show you guys this. It's too cute. Here it is. Okay. Oh! Hey, get back there. There we go. We have live footage of the Dumbo octopus swimming. As you can see, its flaps help move along with its tentacles to transport itself through the ocean. This is really cute. Look at him go! Alright. Let's see. Let's learn more about the Dumbo octopus. They also have the ability to flush or camouflage themselves to their environment. I believe that there are other octopus that can do something similar. Let's take a look at how the Dumbo octopus would look when it flushes. Here we go. Oh, they like turn into like a milky color. Really cute. Unlike most octopus, though, the Dumbo octopus doesn't have an ink sac because it rarely encounters predators in the deep sea. Oh, they get free roam. They just eat stuff. That's easy mode. I want to be a Dumbo octopus. Oh, cute. I love them. It says, Now, don't giggle here, okay, guys? No giggling. This is about the reproductive abilities of the Dumbo octopus. Now, a lot of the time with deep-sea creatures, not really much is known about their reproduction or, you know, their behaviors because it's a little difficult to find such rare animals, especially when the ocean depths are incredibly enormous. So to come across these animals and also be able to observe, you know, their natural habitat, it's a little difficult, but there are some things known about the Dumbo octopus. So it seems that the female always carry the eggs throughout different stages of development and are able to store, no giggling, the sperm packets which are handed off to them by males for long periods of time. They just carry around a little Ziploc baggie, and you know, when it's time to have babies, they have babies. Because, you know, they probably have to wait for the right time, the right environment. You know, it's probably a little difficult. They need a safe area where there won't be too many dangers around, probably. It seems Dumbo octopus can typically live around 3 to 5 years, making them inviolable as pets or captive animals. And, well, not only because they don't live very long, but also because it would really damage the animal for it to be out of the extremely pressurized areas. Yeah, because sort of to remain its form, the pressure is pretty important for that. Yeah. What do you guys think? So cute. So cute, I love them. Do you guys like a Dumbo octopus? Yeah, they live 3 to 5 years, which actually, and maybe in terms of marine life, is not very long. But as somebody who has freshwater fish, to me that sounds like a decent amount of time. But yeah, it would be pretty hard to keep them as pets. And because of the pressure. Yeah, they're cute. They're takodachi. They are actually takodachi. What if they come in like purple or like I don't know, different colors and stuff. They must. Alright, shall we move on? Let's see. Oh, what is this dangerous looking creature? I think it's just somebody's hand, like a shadow puppet. Maybe it's just a shadow puppet. Hold on. Oh, but did you smudge the glass? Hold on. Oh. What is this alien-like creature? Ew. Looks gross. Well, this is a goblin shark, also known as Mitsukurina or Soni. Spotted mostly off the coast of Japan, these creatures are named after their ugly likeness to mythical Japanese folklore goblins. That's right, the goblin shark. These creatures live roughly 3,000 feet below the surface, dwelling along continental shelves. These sharks are incredibly rare, as only 50 have been spotted since 1898. Whoa, that's like over 100 years, and only 50 have been found. So, like I said before, with a lot of these deep sea creatures, it's kind of hard for scientists to observe them in their habitat and, identify behavioral patterns or breeding and those sorts of things. So really not that much is known about these types of sharks, but it is known that they can grow up to 15 feet long, and they have the ability to thrust its whole jaw out to capture its prey. Ew. It looks like the little, like an alien when the little thingy comes out and it's like, ah. That's what it looks like. Gross. I think we have, here we have a GIF. Live footage of the goblin shark eating its prey. Look how its jaw extends outward to capture. Now, these are very slow-moving sharks, and so one of the benefits for them having this jaw motion is that it gives them a little bit of the upper hand. Something's trying to escape, last minute, bam! Dead! Ooh, creepy. Yeah, rip fish. It looks funny. It's got a weird nose. Crunch. Ow. Ow. Yeah, they're weird looking. They're weird looking fellas. I don't really have too much info on these guys. Yeah. Shall we move on? Where's the not last sample, we still have more. Where's the next sample? Oh, what? How do you guys feel about the goblin shark? Are you guys saying, I wasn't reading chat, but I bet you guys are like, Ame, the Ame shark? Oh. It's cool. Yeah, it is cool. It is pretty cool, but it's a little spooky looking. Ame shark. Oh, there it goes again.